This is my research methods assignment 6. Descriptive statistics. Standard deviation is the amount or quantity which shows how people within a group can be different to the mean value of the group. The range is what the variation of the area is from low and high limits on a particular scale. The mode, this is the value that occurs most frequently in a given set of data. The median, this is the value or whole quantity which is located at the midpoint of a distribution frequency of the values or quantity. Mean, this is the average of set data which measures the central tendency. The skewness, this is the peak of the curve, so here. And the kurtosis shows how flat the curve is or how steep the curve is. Inferential statistics. These test for differences and relationships that can be seen within data and are used in a way of that a relationship wasn't down to chance, as within sports science we only use a 5% accepted level of chance. For a sports science, P of 0.05 this is used as our significant level. From this, it shows that there can only be 5% chance that your results are going wrong, or otherwise it is down to chance. The two types of inferential statistics are parametric and non-parametric. Parametric tests are useful interval and ratio types of data, whereas non-parametric tests are used for nominal or ordinal types of data. T-tests. Dependent t-tests are types of tests which test the same group. This is the same group doing the same thing twice over. Independent t-tests are either the same group doing different things or different groups. Tests. The four different types of tests that are used within this type of research are t-tests, Pearson's product movement correlation coefficient, Mann-Whitney U-test, and the Spearman's rank order correlation. Tests. We have the Mann-Whitney U. This is non-parametric and it is equivalent to the independent t-test. This test is used to compare the two independent groups when the dependent variable is ordinal or continuous. Spearman's test and inferential test. This test is used when you have a relationship or link between two independent variables that somehow link. It is again non-parametric. The data used is ordinal and the data given is sorted by a relationship from using the R value. From this, all the data should be ranked. Looking at t-tests, this test for parametric tests is the type of test analyses of two populations within two samples. It is commonly used with small sample sizes which are testing the difference between the two tests. Looking at the Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient, this is also parametric test and it tests for a link that there is between data. The relationship between the tests and the links show the strength of it, and this is otherwise known as the R value.